The Ozark Empire Fair Foundation, a 501c3 nonprofit organization, was formed in 2003. The foundation is dedicated to preserving and cultivating Southwest Missouri's rich agricultural heritage by supporting youth in agriculture and improving the facilities on the Ozark Empire Fair. The signature event of the Ozark Empire Fair Foundation, the Gold Buckle Gala, was first held in 2004 and primary purpose is to recognize the efforts of Southwest Missouri 4-H and FFA livestock exhibitors who have qualified for the auction and to award youth grants and scholarships.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time, and we want you to take a look up here at some good-looking young ladies and young gentlemen that's worked their hind ends off for about 12 months just for the chance that they could be standing in this ring tonight and parade before you their champion animal tonight and show you what a hard working job they've done and how dedicated they've been. I want you to look at the smiles on their face. I want you to look at the calluses on their hands. I want you to look at the sleepy eyes they've got because they've been up day and night working on these things, working on these animals and preparing them for this show. You know, I love video games and I love kids that play on them, but these kids don't sit in the house and play video games. They're out early in the morning, they're rinsing steers and walking pigs and jumping lambs and taking care of them, and they're out doing their chores. And this is what America's all about, in my opinion. Give these kids a big round of applause, and we want to see how much money we can raise for them tonight.
It's all about the kids. At the 2015 Gold Buckle Gala, buyers had the opportunity to bid on the top 8 steers, top 3 lambs, hogs, and goats, top 4 hams, and top 2 broiler pens, raising over $80,000 to go straight back to the kids. Since the event's inception, over $810,000 has been awarded to junior livestock exhibitors. Our kids shine because of the support we receive from animal buyers at the Gold Buckle Gala. The generosity of donors continue to help shape the future of agriculture across Southwest Missouri.